Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I'm a little pissed because I got this this little screenshot. Anyway, you know, let me start out. Yes, in the title, is Lyft committing fraud? I want to see what you think. In my opinion, hell yes. They're lying and they're manipulating and they're telling us so much shit. It's not even funny. First of all, this video is going to be, I can only edit so much. I want to thank Mic Drop BBQ. Mike, M-I-C-D-R-O-P, all one word, space B-B-Q, like barbecue, showing me how to use this feature on my phone, because this is exactly, you know what? Just check this out. All right, so I'm trying this feature on my phone for the first time. Mic Drop BBQ. Check out his channel. Thank you for explaining me how to use this. Now, I've been doing videos about how to break down fares, how to do all this other stuff, and apparently, just like the title, the title of the video questions, is Lyft committing fraud? Well, let's take a look. So, apparently, according to them, last week, I earned $95.75. Although in the background you can see that it was $98.14. So that was 82% of the passengers' payments. But here's the kicker. It includes bonuses. Now, excludes tips and pass-throughs. Now, again, includes bonuses. Now, let's take a look at something else. I do believe it is right here. This was from Lyft. As for checking in our end, the bonuses are earned separately, like a tip, aside from your earnings. This is from support. It says message support from Lyft. You can see the little Lyft icon next to the time. As for checking in our end, the bonuses are earned separately, like a tip. So they're not included in what the passenger is paying, okay? But, according to this right here, bonuses are included. Yet, so to me, that's fraud. That is straight up bullshit. And, I mean, I don't even know where to begin. You know what? Let's go back, because I actually have one more picture to show. And let's see where the hell it is. Sorry. It's this one. Right here. So my ride earnings, $50. Okay. Passenger payments were $147.31. Here's all the other crap you can see. Their licensing stuff, whatever. Minus $29, and then you know, blah 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 blah. So there's $30, $40, $50. So that's 100, and no, it's under 100. That's 90 some odd dollars. Okay, and then we go to the next picture here, and so my earnings were $50. Other bonuses right there, $38.75. So each week you'll earn 70% or more of passenger payments, but they don't tell you that surge now is included. So even though this screenshot here, sorry, again, just learning this, says that according to Lyft support, bonuses are earned separately like a tip. Well, guess what? They are not. And they are including it. That, my friends, is fraud. So, again, sorry, I know it's a little rough, but so Lyft, on one side, at least support, is saying that no, surge is not a bonus. Surge is surge because it's generated by their AI and whatever, and it's generated by demand. Yet, you saw on the other side of it, when I was out, you know, trying to get these rides to be able to make the videos, that surge is no longer surge. Surge is a bonus. The bonus is part of what the passenger pays. Bullshit. Okay? we already know what I just did these videos, okay? You saw them. If you want to go back and check it out, check it out. A passenger pays $12, and Lyft takes their fees, and there's, you know, $8 left, and we're supposed to get 70% of that or whatever. You saw in the videos that that wasn't happening. It was between 40% and 58%, you know, whatever, and they're going to pay the difference. But now surge is considered a bonus. So even though we're supposed to get 70% of what the passenger pays, and you saw that Lyft support said that surge is not included, Lyft is now including surge as a bonus. That, my friends, is fraud. Plain and simple, in your face. It is bullshit, and it's fraud, and it pisses me off. Oh, and lastly, your Smooth Cruiser report, log off. And don't just turn the app off when, you know, whatever, when you're done driving. Log out completely. Because my son and I, this past weekend, decided we were going to do some spirited driving in a very safe area, off-road. And I brought my phone with me. Look at my Smooth Cruiser report. 40%. Oh, man, look at that. Woo. And let's check out the next one. Yeah, that doesn't look good either. So, apparently, the Smooth Cruiser report is doing what that little Uber freaking thing is doing, and it's tracking you 24/7. So, if you have that little Uber thing in your car and you're not driving, well, it's on you. My idea, I don't even know. Get rid of that Uber ball thing, whatever it is that's tracking you. No. And if you're not on Lyft, log off. And if they're still tracking you, well, then that's a whole nother issue. Because if you are logged out of their system, they have no legal right to follow what you're doing when you're logged out. They don't have a legal right to follow what you're doing if you're not on the platform. But as you can see, they are, because I can tell you what, I know that from the acceleration and the turns that we were doing and the 180s and the drifting and all that other stuff, that's why that score is so low. And I can guarantee you that there was not a passenger in the car, and I was not on the ride when we were doing that. So Lyft, I don't even know what to say. But are you committing fraud? In my opinion, yeah, hell yeah, you are. And I want to see what you guys think in the comments. Please, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Hit the thanks button if you're watching it. If it's helping you to understand what's going on. February 14th, we need to put foot to ass, okay? Because what I just saw, I'm pissed. I don't drive like that, first of all, with a Smooth Cruiser report. And this bullshit about me making 82%. And having the surge be included in that, and they're sneaky little what? No. And Rideshare Professor, if you see this video, please, Torsten, let me know, because you know what, guys, I'm out. Be safe, be professional, keep it real if you must drive on. And February 14th. Till next time.